Okay. So what's the first correction you think we need to make with our sentence, I set the table at the Anderson's house? Capitalize I. Okay. What's the next one? Any changes to set? What about the or table? Okay. What do you think my next correction will be? Okay, so you want to say, I set the table at the Anderson's house on Saturday? Okay, so if we look at Wednesday, and a lot of times people want to put commas before prepositions. Okay, it's a common mistake. And we have, I set the table. If we put a comma here, that would mean, oh, something I got wrong. That would mean if we put a comma at table, that we would have another clause after this. Okay. What commas tell us is that we have separate clauses in our sentence. It means we have a dependent clause or an independent clause along with another independent clause. But since we only have one clause, if you notice on Wednesday, we only have one clause, we don't need a comma to separate anything. Does that make sense? So we're not going to put a comma there. What could be another correction? Capitalize Anderson's, good. Any other changes to Anderson's? Any other? Okay. I've got it plural. Oh no, I clicked off the box. I got it wrong again. Okay, so I had it plural. Are you saying there should be something else there, Zach? Well, you would, that is one way you could say like it's their house, but in this case, they have Andersons as in like the whole family. It's also showing possession. So we would also have an apostrophe. Does that make sense? And you're thinking the right way, Zach. I like it because we could just say I set the table at the Anderson house because it's their house. But in this case, they were using the possessive form of it. Any other changes? Any other changes to the sentence or corrections? What about you, Christian? Let me ask you about the days of the weeks. Do we capitalize days of the weeks? Yeah. Okay, so we got to capitalize Saturday. What about punctuation in our sentence? Yep. So let's see if that'll work because the last couple things have not. On Saturday, and then a period. Looks like we're good to go. Okay. So set this up for DGP Friday, right? You guys have questions on that?